was like, I'll call the police for you. Hi guys, I'm back with another video today. It's probably going to be a short one. I'm going to be trying the 2 times spicy. So, all right. The 1 time spicy wasn't spicy for me at all. So, I don't want to go out on a limb here and
you got this, girl.
Say that these aren't going to be spicy. Of course, I'm wearing a white shirt. But I am starving. As usual, I've had 2 hard-boiled eggs to eat today. It's got the sesame seeds. Oh, actually, let me mix it up first. I've got my chopsticks today. Not sure how well that's going to work out, but ugh, I should not be wearing a white shirt. It smells just like the 1 time spicy. Go ahead and put this sesame seed stuff on top. Yum, yum, yum. And, Carrie, can you bring me the, Care, can you bring me the towel from the kitchen?
What?
So can you bring me the towel from the kitchen so I can put it as a bib? I don't want to get anything on my white shirt because I'm sure this stuff stains. Man, it looks so yellow in here. I don't know why. This light is yellow, of course. So, thanks. Alrighty. They're also hot steam-wise, if you guys can see that. So, let's see. Let's go for a thumbnail. All right, here goes nothing. Man, I'm not very good with these chopsticks. I'm practicing, but not quite there yet. I'm sure I'm holding them all wrong. Here we go. Mmm. Tastes good. Instantly hot. Wow. Okay, so these are definitely hotter. I wanted to grab for the water, as you saw, but I'm going to try to do it without the water. Yeah, these are instantly hotter. This towel thing isn't really working. Oh. It's like going up my nose. Okay. I need some of those tiled chopsticks so I can learn. Wow. These are definitely, they're so hot I can't even taste the noodle. Oh my God. My entire mouth is on fire. It literally feels like there's a bonfire in my mouth. Oh my God, these are so much spicier. Oh. Oh my god. You probably can't see because of the yellow lighting, but I feel like I'm breathing fire. Oh my god. I have to drink water, guys. So that helped. I mean, look at my napkin. It's back. Oh my god. It's so hot.
You got it, girl. Get in it.
My mouth is on fire. Oh my god. I'm going to the fork. The water helps for like, well, it's in your mouth, but after that, it doesn't help. Oh my god, my gums.
You got it, girl.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm done. Ah. Ah. I feel like I'm at Mordor. Okay, I'll get copyrighted. Oh my god, excuse me.
You have 5 videos now. I know
That-
you're gonna notice.
That's definitely 2 times spicy.
Could you do another one?
They just came out with a 4 times spicy.
And you could barely get through that, huh? Your leg's shaking.
Mm-hmm. You guys can't see, but my leg the whole time was like this. That's hot. All right, guys. I'm gonna go
Eat a piece of bread.
This was my cheat meal for doing good all week. And I'm regretting it. Regretting it so much. All right, guys. Till the next one. Bye.